Hey there, gaming guys and girls, it's Pip, and today we are playing Anxiety Last Night. This is a game I stumbled across on Game Jolt. It seems to be a really common trend, doesn't it? Actually, now that I think about it. But this game interested me because it was a horror, and because it has this really cool, I guess, gameplay strategy, as opposed to leaving your car and going into the mysterious woods that you're in. You actually, good lord, it's loud, you actually have to stay in your car and try to start your car the entire time. It's okay, but I'm just gonna start it up and we can do what we need to do. Just need to calm down and drive. Okie dokie. It's okay, just a little bit more. No, not again, not now. Oh wow, I'm really convincing with this voice acting. Shit, come on! Come on! Even less convincing with that voice acting. Alright, yes! Alright, let's try to figure out what we're doing here. Okay, so we got a purse. We got whatever that is. Creepy. Yes, indeed. We got a shirt. Ooh, should be a bus station nearby. Why do I keep this? Why is your cardigan covered in blood, lady? Should have left it there. There? Oh god, did you kill someone? Wait, you needed to find what? Oh, I should see the map. Oh, there's the map right there. It's not far from here. Awesome. Let's go. Although, wait, I was supposed to be in the car the entire time. What the hell, man? I thought this game was gonna... Oh, well, there we go. That's why. Apparently there is a creepy old man running around the side of your car, wheezing profusely. A cougar? No, that was definitely not a cougar. Cougar's eyes don't shine hellfire red. I should start the car again. Yeah, let's go for it. Oh, God. Oh, this is gonna be... This is gonna be really tough. Okay, let's go very slowly. There we go. Crap, it's not working. No surprise there. This is a horror game and you are trapped in your car. Should I call my mechanic? Yes, you should call your mechanic. If you didn't save his number, then how in the world are you going to call your mechanic? Oh, you have his business card somewhere. That is smart. Glove box, maybe? That's where I keep all my cards. I need the key. I should have put his number somewhere. Wait, do I need this key? But wait, you can't pull this key out, can you? No, you can't. Okay, whatever. Where else would people put their cars? It's cards. And it was here. Awesome. See, I'm clever. I can make my way through these things. Who just addresses themselves as garage? Hi, it's me. Oh, whoops, I accidentally clicked past something. Car won't start. I need your help.
I hear you. Signal's bad. Where are you, ma'am?
Oh dear. I'm north route of the national park. What are you doing there this late at night? Why are you in a national...
What?
Oh, yeah.
You're doing there?
He gets me.
This time?
See, this garage guy, he gets me. Shut up until I'll be there in an hour. Awesome. An entire hour. Oh, joy. I can't wait that long. Just walk me through it. What should I do?
Alright.
Oh.
Try to turn off the electrics on your car.
Okay. Awesome. It worked last time, right? Okay. Turn off all the electrics on my car. Okay, but what? No, I can't turn off the electrics on my car. Gave me a note. Where is it? Would it be in the... Oh wait, you don't have the key for the glove box. Oh, maybe it's in the purse. Maybe it's in the purse. Grab and drop. Oh, I'm really bad at this. It's like a DS game. I don't remember. What don't you remember? Oh yeah, I can hear his heavy breathing from here. Oh joy. Oh, I got the car keys. So, why did I leave this thing here? Up and away. What the hell is that? Alright. Well, there's the note, right? Turn off air conditioner, light in the car. So everything electric. Yeah, okay. I thought, why did we need the note for this? That was really scary. I don't need this anymore. What did you do? Oh, is that why there's blood on this cardigan? Oh, what have you done? It's over. Okay, so follow the instructions and turn off all the electric devices. Bam. Look at you. You are a real champ. Is that everything? Now the radio. Unplug the radio? What does that mean? Oh, those screws. That would explain why you do this. You can hand unscrew. Oh, you have the... Yeah, I was like, man, this girl can twist screws off with her hand, but I forgot that I had the bloody screwdriver. So this should be no problem then. Awesome. I assume this game can only be a pop-up style game, right? Last one. Come on. There we go. Oh, no, I lost it. The hell? What was that? Oh. Oh. Yeah, you're cute. What are you doing? Whoa. Oh, don't look at it. I guess that's it. As long as you don't look at it, you're fine. Alright. Well, that's going to be challenging. Especially since you like to pop up right there, right? No, I'm there, but I don't need to pick up anything from here. So... Yeah, so that's right. Okay, I'm glad I am correct in my assumption. Let's go. The hell? Why is there a kid? No. No, you didn't. Girl, I swear, if you killed that kid, I'll be so disappointed. Oh, I think I just turned that on. Turn off the AC, please. Grab up. And there goes the windshield wipers. And I think the light's on, so I'm just going to do it. Oh, no, it wasn't. Dang it. It's hard to tell, especially with this fog. Whoa. Whoa, hey, no. Hey, you're just looking at me like that, aren't you? Just stay there, you know? I don't have a problem with you. I am a very beautiful example of a human specimen, so I don't mind that you're peeking in at me. Whoa! Whoa! I got double teamed by whatever the heck that was. I really think the bloody cardigan means I killed... Is that my son or something? Like, it's obviously a small child and I'm a female, so I think it's just safe to assume. Oh, gotcha. I think that's the last one. So let's go for it, shall we? Don't be stupid. Don't be stupid. You can... Yeah. Yeah. Oh. That almost ended badly. I don't know. Sometimes I'm glad I just have knee-jerk reactions. Let's see. What do we do? No, wait, that's starting the key. Starting the key. Starting the ignition. It's using the key. Oh, good lord. Pip, you're drunk. Go home. Alright, let's do this again. Oh, baby. So, I guess it's the... Is this the ghost of my... Yeah, I murdered my child. I'm a horrible person. Why did I do that? Why would I do such... commit such atrocities? Because it's perfect setup for a horror game, that's why. Bam. Go for it. Oh, yeah. Turn off the AC. Turn off the light thing. Oh, yeah. I'm rocking. I'm sorry. Sorry that I won. Huh. Well, I kind of enjoyed that game. It was particularly tense making sure you weren't looking at the thing, but especially in the beginning, I just want a normal life, a normal kid. Is it wrong? So your kid isn't normal, so you killed your kid? Is that? Oh, good lord. Yeah, it's. I would have maybe been a little more spooked out by it if the monster were primarily at the front of the car as opposed to the sides, because I assume all those tung tung was the side, like at each side. Oh, charming. And the kid got his last bit of revenge. So yeah, adorable. Anyway, I guess that's about it. Wow. Anywho, like I said, if the monster would have been at the front, it would have been a lot more intense. Maybe a bit more difficult too. Because, I mean, once you realize that all you need to do is look down or look away from the monster, it isn't that big a threat. But, I mean, especially if you time it to when you're doing all those little quick time events with turning things on and off, that would have been perfect. Although, as a whole, the game is fantastic. It's well executed. It has, for this short a game, it has a really good atmosphere. So yeah, I'll make sure to provide a link, and you guys can play it yourselves and have as much fun as I did with it. Thank you guys, as always. I'll see you next time. Oh no. Is that blood yours? I really hope it's yours.